Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. First, I'm gonna have to excuse my appearance. So I just came back from a full hour body massage where no stone was left unturned. He had my hair all up, I came out and my hair was out like this. So I'm looking a little disheveled, sorry about that. Second thing, I'm sorry about the lighting. It is pitch black and raining outside. And I got a pile of clothes here, 2 different videos to film for you, and my lighting just stinks. I got the ring light on, plus the overhead lights on as well. It is just disgusting out there and really hot and humid as well. So what do I have for you today? Well, I have a miscellaneous haul and some follow-ups with you, all right? So first up, I showed you this top last week, all right? This top I was going to return or exchange because I felt it was too big in the shoulder area. Well, it turns out I brought it to the store. They didn't have any other size than the size I had. And I put it on for the woman in the store and she explained to me what I was doing wrong. See, there are these little straps in here, but these are adjustable. Plus they also come out. I can unhook these and not use them at all, and thus pull this further down on my shoulders. So it's actually off the shoulder and not up here and sticking out. I guess I just kind of missed that and couldn't figure out what to do with this, but she kind of explained it to me and I tried it on in store with her and it looked cute once I put it on. So I'll try it on again with you so now you can see exactly how it looks the right way. All right, I'm not going to try the next 2 pieces on because I've tried them on already with you. The first up is this little black 1-sleeve top that just came on my front door fashion. I just wanted to let you guys know I kept it. The next thing that you've also seen that I decided to keep is the cute little Sanctuary summer skirt. This is a very thin, lightweight olive cargo skirt. Cargo? Well, no, utility, I would say. Utility pockets in front. I don't see any cargo other pockets in that. So I decided to keep this because it's a good lightweight skirt for summer. So I'm going to be putting these in my closet and I just wanted to let you know that. The next thing that I'm going to show you are some items from Loft. Now I showed you the shirt last time because I was able to pick this up in the store. But I didn't show you the matching skirt, which I was waiting for in the mail. I will try this on, but I'm almost 99% sure I'm gonna return it. Why? I just simply don't need it. I hope it doesn't look good. Let's just put it that way. Because I might be tempted. But I will try this on together so you can see how it looks as an outfit. And of course you can wear a white shirt with this, but I thought let's do the matching first and see how we like it together. All right, next up, about a week ago, I went with my mother-in-law shopping up by her, and we went into White House Black Market, and they got a new line in, and the color is called Sienna, all right? I love this color. So the first thing I picked up, I tried it on in store in a size 2, and it was too big. I tried it on in store in a size 0. It was too small. So when I got home, or actually not even when I got home, but while I was at lunch with my mother-in-law, I went online and I decided, you know what, I want it in a size 2. I only had a $10 coupon, so it kind of bummed me out. It is pretty expensive, but I knew something like this, based on the size I needed and the way White House Black Market works, it would have sold out. So I got this in a 2 petite. It's a size 2 petite, $89 is the asking price, and like I said, I had a $10 coupon, so not a great bargain, but it's a cute little top, and I guess theoretically I could wear it in the winter with a really thin sleeve top underneath. I will try that on for you. To let you know, this line, the Sienna line, it has pants that match. I want the matching pants too. But I was in the store yesterday when I was trying on the beige top, and I had to either buy the pants, or I didn't have to, but the blouse was also on my radar. So I wanted the pants and I wanted the blouse. They didn't have the pants in store to try on, and I only had a coupon for $25 off. Now don't ask me why they keep giving me coupons, but I'm not complaining. So they gave me a coupon for $29 off, and I got the blouse because I wanted the blouse too. So the blouse is something that'd be worn all year long. This is probably more summer, but we'll see. And to let you know, I have another White House Black Market blouse similar to this color, and I'm going to be retiring that, and I'll show that to you in a minute. And again, this was $89, $25 off, and I'll show you this to you. All right. Lastly, my shoes. I think I told all you guys that the other shoes, the Mark Fisher shoes, were too small. So I now got received these shoes from Anne Klein, also from Macy's. I think I paid 60 something for them. Again, on sale, Macy's cash. They have more of a pointed toe, I think, than the Mark Fisher. The heel is, I think, a little bit sleeker, or more, I guess, more trendier of an angle versus the solid clunk, and maybe like a little bit higher. I did try these on briefly and they felt good, but I'll try them on again with you to make sure they're definitely something that I want to keep. And yeah, all right, give me a minute and let's do a try on. Okay, first up, I decided to go with the Loft outfit. So the top, I got everything off during the 50% off sale. So the top price I paid at the 50% off full price, $29.98. And the skirt at 50% off, I paid $39.97. So really not a bad price for these items. Do I need these things? Absolutely not. So here we go. This is very matchy and kind of makes it even like cuter than it is. I think I'm going to pass on this. Like I said, I have the green dress from White House Black Market, and even though it's a completely different style, that's like a sexy halter type of style, I think it's enough green, cutesy, or not cutesy, but dressier items in my closet. This is a pull-on style skirt. It is of this, what they call cactus green, and the embroidery for the eyelet is in white, just so you know. There is like a crochet detail across here with a little flounce to it. The bottom of it is like scalloped. I mean, this is a beautiful skirt. It is lined. I believe this is not a polyester lining. It feels like cotton to me. So this would be nice and breathable during the summer. I'll try and see if I can figure out what the heck the lining is made out of. Let's see if I can tell you right here. 100% cotton lining, 100% cotton. So yeah, 100% cotton skirt. I would recommend this. I don't necessarily recommend it with the top. I think it might be just a little bit over the top and matchy. Probably I'd wear like a white t-shirt and a jean jacket to dress this down. But as I said, how many of these skirts do I really need? I got this in my usual extra small, and I would say there's plenty of room in this. It comes right to the knee on me, and again, I'm only 5'2", so if you are taller, it will be shorter on you. So this is the front, and this is the back, and I'm wearing my Gola sneakers with this to try and make it a little bit more casual. And this is the first outfit, absolutely adorable. I'm going to try not to look at the footage because I might be convinced to keep it. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next pieces. Okay, up first is this unusual top. And like I said, I am in the market for buying the matching pants to go with this and creating a monochrome outfit. But in the meantime, I put them on with a pair of light wash split hem jeans. My platform sandals or mules or slides from Dolce Vita in this neutral color. Like I said, I love this color. It's called Sienna. It's flying out of my local stores. So I'm going to go to another store probably next weekend, over the holiday weekend, where it's near the Loft that I go to. And I'm going to cross my fingers and hope they have the pants in there to try on store. They only had a few sizes left in my store. I need to try them on a 0. I need to try them on in a 2, see what works, and possibly order a petite online. Everything is like, you know, I can never get the exact size. Like this top, let me tell you, usually I'm a regular extra small or size 2 in White House Black Market. The 2 was way too big. It was like hanging off the top here. The 0 was pulling across the chest. And I took a chance, ordered the 2 petite, and I think it fits. It's the Goldilocks here. So let me come closer so you can see the detail. All right, so there's like a lot of stitching that goes down here. The buttons are workable, but I can pull this over my head. It has a belt, which pretty much sits just maybe a tad above my waist, okay, which I'm all right with because then it has this little cute little peplum. It's different. It's unique to my wardrobe. I am wearing my regular bra, and you do see it poking out. Maybe not. Yeah, you do. You do see it poking out like right there. I don't, you know what? That's fine. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. Here's the back of it. I think it's, my bra is hidden from the back, but if not, then I will resort to a strapless bra. Yeah, and I'm happy to add this one to my closet. Give me a minute and I'll try on the same color in the blouse. Okay, as promised, I wanted to show you the blouse I got many years ago from White House Black Market. As you can see, the color is like almost identical. They called it something different back then. But I think the reason why I'm going to retire this is the sleeve detail. The sleeve detail is the split sleeve. So it's like open there and also open up here. You know, I still like this blouse, but I don't love it as much as I do, and I really love this one more. I theoretically could keep both of them, but why keep both of them, right? I think I'm gonna just keep this one, the new one, and retire the other one. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think I should return this and keep on that? But that one is not gonna match the pants, which is what I also wanna do too. So this is a really nice, it is 100% polyester, this blouse, but it is a nice polyester. And what's also better than that one too, that one is all harder to layer the other blouse because it has like a more volume sleeve. And this is like a 3/4 sleeve, so it's also easier to layer for when I have like a jacket that has like a push-up sleeve, or I can roll up the sleeve, it's no big deal. So that's another reason why I like this one better, besides the fact that it doesn't have the split sleeve. It's just like a more modern and trendy style. I'm gonna pull it out so you can see the length of it. You don't really have to tuck this one in my opinion. It's not like super billowy. It kind of like drapes nice and flat. So if you're not a tucker, I think that would work for you. They do have this blouse in other colors. I was talking to the woman who was in my store, and she thinks that they're gonna come out with even more colors of this blouse. So if you like this blouse, keep an eye. They're gonna have more colors. And you know what? They always have sales. I just had my heart set on this one, and I had that $25 coupon, but they're always having great sales at White House Black Market, like when they're trying to clear out inventory. So if you're patient and you wanna wait, I say wait for it, all right? There are buttons here on the sleeve. I'll come over so you can see, all right? And again, the puff. And to let you know, this is a regular size too. I would not want a petite in this. I'm not even sure if it's sold in petite, but I would not want a petite in this blouse. I did first try on the 0, and typically size 0 is too small, as was in this particular blouse. So I would say, for me, this runs true to size. And whereas the other one, I thought ran large across the shoulders, if that helps anyone. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you the blouse that I couldn't put on correctly last time. Give me a minute. I'm having buyer's remorse over that other blouse since I have one that almost looks identical in color to it, but I just think the split sleeve is kind of out and it's time for me to move on to a different one. I don't know. I feel guilty retiring the other one because it's still in good condition, still fits. I don't know. What would you do? I'm like torn. All right, so once I took those little straps out, this does fit across the shoulders, so I'm able to pull it down and it's not sitting up so high and sticking out wide. So this does actually too have a zipper on the side. I didn't need to unzip it to get it on over my head. It is a little sexy and low cut, but I'm okay with that. I would probably wear it just like this as I'm sitting at home doing my job or going out to dinner, running to errands, etc., etc. I obviously have to wear a strapless bra with this top, but I did want you to show you guys what this looked like when it wasn't like sitting up top. All right, give me a minute and I have the shoes to try on. Okay, shoes are up next, and I'm styling it how I would probably wear these shoes. These shoes are way more comfortable than the Marc Fisher ones, not just in terms of width, but there's so much cushion in them. I like these a lot better. So these are going to be kept. I'll show them to you in a minute. I'm wearing my Daniel Rain Becru blouse, the Kenzie blazer, all from Stitch Fix. The jeans are Mother from Nordstrom. I thought a light wash would be better with these. And hopefully you can see the shoes here. So they're a pointy toe. Now, one thing that's different about these than the Marc Fisher ones is that the point of the toe was suede in that, and this is not. This is a material. Which I'm okay with because, again, they're very soft, cushy, very comfortable shoes, and I could probably even walk around in these for quite some time. And yeah, I like these shoes. So yeah, this is how I would wear it. I could use a pair of non-distressed straight leg jeans, so if I had to wear something like this to the office, I could. Alrighty, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, till next time.